Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've been turning over it and I can see oil. So I'm going to turn over with the key. The spark plug is out still. Oh look, it's filling up. Okay, that's wasn't doing that before. That is a good sign. And with this acrylic thing, I went online and Hitchcock's actually make one. It's the metallic on the outside still, but they make a window in the middle so you can see. So if I just try this again. So it must be pumping oil to the top and it's running back down, fills the chamber, and then there's a behind this little thing there's a hole, and I think it drops back in, bloop, bloop. But it keeps the lifters full, which are underneath each getting old, so underneath each push rod. So I think tomorrow I will be able to give this a start. When I can open the shed doors and keep my fingers crossed, it's all good. So thank you for the advice from everybody. It's been a process of going through, checking one by one, and thank you for the person that suggested the O-ring back here. I think it was definitely that by the looks, because it was not doing that when I was turning it over earlier. Okay, thank you to all, and I'll start another one tomorrow.